State the errors in the following trial balance. So basically, now what is there in this question is you have a trial balance. There are various accounts which are there, okay, head of accounts. They are given as if they have a debit or a credit balance, right? You have to pick up and tell which one of the balances has been put in incorrectly, right? Now a balance at the time of posting may kind of go here or there, right? If the accountant is not good, he might just put in the debit balance on the credit side and the credit balance on the debit side, right? So what is the rule? What all does debit balances have? They have expenses, they have assets, something which we saw in the previous two videos. The credit balance represents income and liabilities. So whenever generally you find that either of these conditions are not met, then in that case, it's an incorrect posting which is there, right? So first thing you need to find out is whether a balance is an expense or an asset or an income or a liability, and accordingly see whether it is a debit balance or a credit balance. So purchases, as we discussed earlier, is an expense. An expense has what? A debit balance. But in this case, it is reflected in the credit side, which means this is a wrong posting, right? It should be coming on the debit side, right? Sales is an income. An income has a credit balance, right? So this 40,000 is put correctly. Purchase return. A purchase is an expense. A reduction in an expense is what? It's a credit balance. It's put in on the debit side, so this is incorrect. Sales return. Sales has a credit balance, so return means what? It is reducing. A reduction in a credit balance is what? It's a debit item, so this is correct. Advertisement is an expense. An expense has a debit balance. Correct. Interest paid on loan is again an expense. An expense has a debit balance, but here it is reflected as credit. So this is incorrect. It should come in the debit side, right? Interest received. What you receive is an income on fixed deposit. So what happens is you go and put some money in the bank gives you interest. That is an income. It's posted on the debit side, so this is incorrect. Depreciation, expense, debit, correctly posted. Furniture. Furniture is what? An asset. An asset has a debit balance. Correct. Plant and machinery, asset. Asset has a debit balance. Here it's showing credit, so this is wrong. Put it in the debit side. Bank overdraft, liability. It has to go to the credit side. Bank balance, asset. Correct. Cash balance, asset. Correct. And the last one is Ramesh, the creditor. A creditor is what? A liability, and therefore he has to have a credit balance, which is correct. So the basic rule is, what are the errors? Errors is if a debit balance is put into the credit side or vice versa, right? So you identify what is the nature of the item, whether it should be a debit balance or a credit balance. If it is put correctly in the trial balance, it's okay. If it is not, it's an error which needs to be rectified.